How to use Webhook in N8N. Today I'm going to show you how to use Webhook in N8N to trigger workflows from anywhere on the web. First, log into your N8N dashboard, click Workflow, and hit Create Workflow. A blank canvas gets started. Click plus Add Node, search for Webhook, and drag it to your canvas. This node will act as a URL endpoint that triggers your workflow. Click on the webhook node to configure it. Set the HTTP mode. Choose a response method like on receive, immediately, when last node finishes, streaming, according your choice. You can choose it. And hit listen for the test event. Copy the webhook URL. This is what you will use to send data from external app or website. Now connect to the webhook node to an action like sending emails, creating a Google Sheet row, or posting to Slack, or you can tap anything from the list. Every time the webhook is called, your workflow runs automatically. If it works, save your workflow and hit activate. Done, your webhook is live. And that's it. Your N8N workflow now responds to webhook from anywhere on the internet. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automation tips. Happy automating. Thank you for watching.